my neighbor stopped me as I was on my way to go pick my mother-in-law up. And she's like, oh my god, I don't know what to do. There's a baby bird in my driveway. I don't know what to do about it. Little baby bird. I've had him with me all day. And he just ate. I'm not quite sure what kind of bird he is, but I think he's a starling. And I can't get back up to the bird's nest to put him back in. There you go, buddy. There. Oh, he shit on me twice, but I am going to keep everyone informed on how it goes. We're gonna try and do everything. I got worms, and I got barley to smash up, and unsalted sunflower seeds to smash up and make like a paste. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna call the wildlife officer that I've known for a while and see if he knows any other tricks. So wish me luck.